Hi everyone, this is Stacey and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, we are going to open a box of happiness. We receive another gift from our friend. So, napaka-generous ng taong ito. So, hindi ko na alam or mabilang kung pang ilang surprise or gift na niya ito sa akin. So, ang isa lang masasabi ko, napaka-sweet and generous ni Sisi Mitch. So, let's start opening the box to see what's inside. Pero nakalagay dito sa box is plants inside. I guess may plants sa loob. So, medyo na-stuck tong box na to sa LBC kasi inabot siya ng holiday. LBC was closed from December 30 and it was open January 2 lang. So, meron pang maliit na box sa loob ng box ng LBC. So, let's try to open it. And hopefully na okay pa yung mga plants dito sa loob ng box. So, wow! Ayan, may pa-card sa atin si Sisi Mitch. So, medyo may lupa. Siguro natapon yung lupa. So, ito yung YouTube channel niya. Everything Nice at Mitch Succulent Love. So, mamaya natin buksan yung card. Let's continue unboxing first. So, meron siyang pinadalang makeup brush. Pero hindi ako mahilig mag-makeup or nag-makeup kasi nandito lang naman ako sa house. So, sabi niya, gamitin ko na lang daw for my succulents. And may pinadala siyang dark tone color na variegated gymnocalcium. Kaso lang medyo maalikabok kasi natapon nga yung soil nung pot ng variegated gymnocalcium. Meron siyang pinadalang PVN. Ang ganda ng color. So, ayan, medyo maalikabok lang kasi natapon nga yung soil. And then, ayan o, kung makikita niyo sa loob ng box, ang daming natapon na soil. So, pero okay lang yan, i-save natin yung soil later. So, eto naman yung isa, yung Peperomia gravelians. So, ayan, medyo mahirap i-pronounce yung kanyang name. So, ang ganda, magka-color sila ni PVN. So, thank you so much, Sisi Mitch, for your gift. And then, syempre, hindi matatapos ang ating unboxing kung hindi natin bubuksan kung ano yung card na pinadala niya. So, ayan. Ang sweet, oh, 'di ba? So much effort si Sisi sa atin sa pagbati ng Merry Christmas. So, eto yung YouTube channel niya, Everything Nice at Mitch Succulent Love. Please do subscribe. And ito yung message niya, the gift of love, the gift of peace, and the gift of happiness. May all these be yours. Wishing you a season full of light and laughter. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And may secret message si Sisi sa atin na nakalagay dito sa yellow na paper. So, let's read it. Ate Daisy, thank you for our friendship. I am blessed to meet a good person like you. Keep the good vibes in you always. Thank you for inspiring us in your life as a mother, for your sacrifices for your kids. I know you could take good care of my gifts to you. Hope to see you soon. I love you, ate. Always take care. God bless you and your kids. Love, Mitch. Oh, 'di ba? Napaka-sweet ni Sisi Mitch. Tapos napaka-thoughtful. And yung effort na lang niya na gumawa ng ganitong card, dinikit, nag-cut siya ng mga print out niya na greetings. And may paribon pa and then no matter how busy siya sa kanyang work kasi she's a nurse, 12 hours duty, nagawa pa niyang pumunta sa LBC para ipadala sa akin tong box. So, Sisi Mitch, I'm so thankful also that I have met you even though hindi pa tayo nagkikita. Yung para bang kahit chat lang tayo ng chat everyday, parang feeling ko kilala na kita kasi yun nga, halos araw-araw tayo magka-chat, we share information. And since na-develop yung friendship between me and Sisi, hindi lang basta plants na yung pinag-uusapan namin. Parang nasa-share na rin namin sa isa't isa yung tungkol sa life namin, yung minsan kung ano ginagawa namin sa buhay namin. So, what's happening in our life. So, ganun na kami ka-close ni Sisi. So, to the next level na, hindi na lang as a friend dahil sa YT channel or dahil sa plants or dahil sa hobbies namin or sa collection na ginagawa namin. But we are on the next step na we are getting closer to each other. So, yun. Pero, syempre, hindi lang kaming dalawa ni Sisi Mitch. Meron pa kaming isang friend. And that is Miss Jeremy Hermano. So, please do subscribe to her channel, Jeremy Hermano. So, pare-pares lang kami ng mga vlog. Pero sila kasi nagvo-vlog sila ng travels. Ako kasi hindi. More on plants and succulents. So, yun. Hi, Sis Jeremy. Shoutout sa'yo. Wala akong masabi na, ayun, makaka-touch talaga. Medyo naiiyak ako, pero napaka-thoughtful ni Sisi Mitch. And napakaswerte ko na nagkaroon ako ng friend na close na kami, si Sis Jeremy and Sisi Mitch. So, I treasure our friendship. So, sana hindi tayo magbago sa isa't isa. And yun lang talaga masasabi ko. Thank you so much, Sisi. It's not because of the material things that you have sent me. I want to thank you and Jeremy for the time you spent talking or chatting with me, sharing thoughts, points of views, at kung ano lang minsan nakalokohan na sinashare natin sa ating group chat. So, I'm happy na na-meet ko kayo, if not personally this time, but even sa chat. I'm so happy kasi iba pa rin yung may nakakausap ka sa chat. Pero I'm hoping na ma-meet ko talaga kayo in person soon. So, bago pa ako maiyak, let's pot these succulents. So, I have a new pot here, a clay pot. I bought it specially for these gifts na plants na binigay sa atin ni Sisi Mitch. So, I'm starting to pot it. I use my regular soil mixture, 50% lump soil, 50% pumice stone. And then, I will top also Akadama soil for the variegated gymnocalcium, and for final touch, I will top dress it with cultured soil. And to our Sis Jeremy Hermano, huwag kang mag-isip na wala ka maibigay sa amin ni Sisi Mitch. It's okay. Yung time na binibigay mo sa amin, na nakikinig ka or nagbabasa ka ng kung ano-ano lang na sinasabi namin ni Sisi Mitch doon sa group chat natin, it's too much. Spending time with your friends is a too much blessing to share. So, yun. At saka nandito lang kami palagi ng ate Mitch mo. Ako at saka si Mitch para sa'yo. So, if you need us, just chat us. So, let's have a final and closer look nung plant na ibinigay sa atin ni Sisi Mitch. And before I end this video, nabanggit ko nga sa inyo na maraming naibigay na surprise sa akin si Sisi Mitch. So, i-flex ko na din lahat ng mga plants na naibigay niya sa akin. So, thank you so much, Sisi Mitch, for your sweetness, thoughtfulness, and the friendship na binigay mo sa akin, the trust and respect. And also, Sis Jeremy, thank you for always being there for us, na kahit na ate mo kami is minsan, ikaw pa yung nag-a-advise sa amin. So, ganun talaga. So, with this friendship, we do not compete with each other. We try to enjoy the company through chat. So, I hope our friendship would last long. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye.